Is sleeping on your right side dangerous? Here, I'll reveal the truth. If you usually sleep on your right side, watch this video because I'm going to tell you all about it. If you're one of those people who usually sleep on their side, leaning on their right shoulder, I recommend you stop doing this because you could have the following problems, which I'll mention below. Firstly, difficulty breathing. Secondly, indigestion or coughing. Thirdly, reflux. Fourthly, it doesn't promote lymphatic drainage. Fifthly, heart problems. Now, I'm going to tell you another very interesting point. But first, let me ask you this. Do you usually sleep on your side? If so, which side? Or do you prefer to sleep on your back or stomach? Sleeping on your right side can also cause back pain. These are some of the problems that can arise if you sleep on this side. What's more, a study revealed that sleeping on your left side is much better as it provides healthier sleep, which is beneficial for your health. But what exactly are the benefits of sleeping on your left side? As I mentioned before, sleeping on your left side is very good for your health. Now I'll show you the following benefits. Firstly, back and joint pain disappears. Secondly, it improves digestion and lymphatic drainage. Thirdly, it prevents cardiovascular problems. Fourthly, it prevents the development of dementia. Fifthly, it improves circulation. Sleeping on your left side helps prevent bile reflux because it encourages gastric emptying and reduces the time. Gastric juices remain in the stomach. It is also beneficial for pregnant women as it improves blood flow to the placenta and fetus, contributing to healthier fetal development. It also reduces pressure on internal organs, such as the liver, and improves their functioning. The left side position also favors the elimination of waste by the kidneys and facilitates intestinal transit, preventing constipation. This position stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, improves the absorption of nutrients, reduces sleep apnea and snoring by keeping the airways open. When sleeping on the left side, the stomach is below the esophagus, which prevents the return of gastric juices. This is essential for those suffering from gastroesophageal reflux. In addition, this position favors gastric emptying, allowing the contents to pass more quickly into the small intestine. This not only reduces acidity, but also improves digestion, optimizing the transit of food and liquids. Sleeping on the left side is especially useful for people with heartburn and gastroesophageal reflux. This is because the stomach is located in the upper abdomen. When you sleep on this side, gravity keeps the gastric contents in the stomach, reducing the risk of reflux. The lower esophageal sphincter, a valve that prevents food from returning to the esophagus, also benefits. This position helps keep it closed. All of this improves sleep quality, reducing fatigue and stress. Finally, sleeping on your left side improves skin health, facilitating fluid drainage and preventing swelling. This is an informative video and does not replace a consultation with your doctor. God bless you all and see you tomorrow.